everyone, welcome back to another video. First of all, I would like to say thank you so much to all my lovely subscribers for your amazing feedback. It means a lot to me, and today I'm going to share with you guys my very own secret recipe. It's called chicken panini. For chicken panini, the ingredients we need are 1 kg chicken boneless. I'm using breast boneless, 3 bell peppers, 1 small tin of sweet corns, 1 medium onion, 2 green chilies, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of tandoori sauce. And here I'm using the baguettes. It's up to you guys. Some people like seeded baguettes or some people like plain ones. And I've got 2 different kind of cheeses, whichever you like, burger cheese or cheddar cheese is your choice. And also we have the oil here. That's all we need. So guys, finally chicken panini is ready to eat. I hope you guys enjoyed my today's video, and make sure you try this recipe. I'm sure you're gonna love it. As usual, please don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my today's video. Dafis.